In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Dangerous Download Blocked in Google Chrome. This message usually appears when Chrome thinks a file you're trying to download might be unsafe. Chrome's built-in security is designed to protect you from malware, but sometimes it can be a little overprotective and block files that you actually trust and need. In this walkthrough, I'll show you a safe and clear way to get around that warning when you're confident the file is from a trusted source. First, start by trying to download your file as you normally would. Click the download link or button on the website. You'll probably see Chrome try to start the download, and then a message appears at the bottom of the window or in the top right download tray saying Dangerous Download Blocked. Instead of repeatedly clicking the link, move your mouse to the download bar or the little download icon in the top right corner of Chrome. Click that icon to open the list of recent downloads. You should see the file that was blocked, marked with a warning message. Now, pause for a moment and double-check that you really trust this file. Make sure it comes from a website you recognize and intended to use. If anything feels off, it's safer to cancel the download and look for the file on the official site of the software or service you're using. If you're sure it's safe, look for an option next to the blocked file that says something like Recover File, Keep, or Resume. Click that, and Chrome may show you another warning explaining that this type of file can harm your device. This is normal. Confirm that you still want to keep the file. In some versions of Chrome, you might need to click a small arrow or three-dot menu next to the file name to reveal the Keep option. Select it, and the download should continue and complete normally. Once it finishes, you can open it from the download bar or from your usual downloads folder on your computer. If you keep running into this warning with files you know are safe, consider scanning them with a trusted antivirus program after downloading, just for extra peace of mind. That way, you're balancing security with the ability to get your work done. And that's how you fix the Dangerous Download Blocked issue in Google Chrome while still staying safe online.